Imagine a towering iron lattice reaching for the skies, a beacon of French elegance and engineering, the iconic Eiffel Tower. Nestled in the heart of Paris, this magnificent structure was brought to life by the visionary architect Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a world fair marking the centennial celebration of the French Revolution. A marvel of engineering, the Eiffel Tower stands at an impressive 330 meters, making it the tallest structure in Paris. To reach the top, one must conquer over 1,600 steps, a journey rewarding enough with a breathtaking panoramic view of the City of Love. Did you know? The Eiffel Tower was initially criticized by some of France's leading artists and intellectuals for its design, but it has now become a global cultural icon of France and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. The Eiffel Tower, an emblem of France, remains a must-visit for any traveler. Next, we venture into the heart of Paris, where the magnificent Notre-Dame Cathedral stands tall. This majestic edifice, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, has graced the 𝐵𝐔𝐾𝐒 for over 800 years. Its name, Notre-Dame, translates to Our Lady, a reference to the Virgin Mary to whom the cathedral is dedicated. The intricate facade, the awe-inspiring stained glass windows, and the towering twin bell towers are a testament to the architectural brilliance of the medieval era. The cathedral's history is as captivating as its architecture. As we delve into the centuries, we discover tales of kings and queens, coronations and revolutions. The cathedral has witnessed the transformation of Paris from a medieval city to the bustling metropolis we know today. But perhaps the most famous tale associated with Notre Dame is the story of Quasimodo, the hunchback, immortalized in Victor Hugo's novel. This touching tale of love and acceptance has forever etched the cathedral in the hearts of people worldwide. The Notre Dame Cathedral is not just a monument of the past, but a living testament to resilience. In 2019, a devastating fire ravaged the cathedral, collapsing the iconic spire and severely damaging the roof. But, like the phoenix, Notre Dame is rising from the ashes. The ongoing restoration efforts are a testament to the indomitable spirit of the French people and their commitment to preserving their rich heritage. As we watch the cathedral being painstakingly restored to its former glory, we are reminded of the enduring nature of human creativity and the power of collective effort. The cathedral today stands not just as a symbol of French culture and history, but also as a beacon of hope and resilience. Despite the trials it has faced, the Notre Dame continues to capture imaginations and inspire awe. It remains a symbol of the city's soul, a monument to its lineage and a beacon of its future. The Notre Dame, a testament to the resilience and grandeur of French culture, continues to inspire awe. Now let's immerse ourselves in the world of art at the Louvre Museum. Situated in the heart of Paris, the Louvre Museum is, without a doubt, a testament to the world's rich artistic heritage. This grand structure, with its iconic glass pyramid entrance, is a beacon of culture and history, beckoning art enthusiasts from all corners of the globe. The Louvre's story begins as a fortress in the 12th century, constructed by King Philippe Auguste. Its transformation into a museum occurred centuries later in 1793 during the French Revolution. The revolutionaries, in their quest for liberty, equality, and fraternity, saw the value in making art accessible to all. And so, the Louvre was born. Today, the Louvre houses over 35,000 works of art, spanning numerous civilizations, eras, and styles. It's a labyrinth of creativity and history, each corridor leading to another chapter of mankind's artistic journey. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to Greek sculptures and Renaissance masterpieces, the museum's diverse collection is a testament to the universality of artistic expression. Among the Louvre's vast collection, the Mona Lisa, painted by the Italian maestro Leonardo da Vinci, stands out. This enigmatic masterpiece, with its subtle smile and mysterious gaze, has captivated audiences for centuries. But she's not alone. There's also the Venus de Milo, the winged victory of Samothrace, each piece with its own story, its own allure. Aside from its collections, the Louvre is also an architectural marvel. It's a harmonious blend of old and new, with the medieval Louvre Palace juxtaposed against Immerse's modern glass pyramid. This fusion of styles mirrors the museum's mission, to celebrate the past while embracing the future. The Louvre is more than just a museum. It's a journey through time, through history, through the myriad ways in which we as humans express ourselves. It's a testament to our creativity, our ingenuity, our ability to transform a simple canvas or a block of marble into something that can move hearts and minds. The Louvre, a treasure trove of art, awaits to take you on a journey through time and creativity. From the city streets of Paris, we travel to the opulent Palace of Versailles. A jewel of French Baroque architecture, it's an extravagant display of the absolute monarchy of the Ancien Regime. Built in the 17th century under the reign of Louis XIV, the Palace of Versailles served as a royal residence until the French Revolution in the late 18th century. The heart and soul of Versailles is the Grand Hall of Mirrors. Imagine a stately corridor stretching over 73 meters long, its ceiling adorned with intricate paintings, and its walls lined with 17 wide, arched mirrors. It's a place of reflection, both literally and figuratively, where one can ponder on the lavishness of the French monarchy, their love for art and culture, and the sheer grandeur of their reign. But the palace isn't just about the buildings. It's also about the sprawling gardens that stretch as far as the eye can see. Designed by André Lenotre, the gardens of Versailles are a masterpiece of symmetry and order. They're dotted with over 200 statues, fountains, and monuments, each one a testament to the opulence of the era. The gardens are also home to the Grand Canal, a majestic waterway that reflects the sky above, adding to the overall beauty of the estate. Versailles is more than just a palace. It's a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the Ancien Regime. It's a testament to a time when the monarchy was at the peak of its power, a time of grand balls and grander ambitions. It's a glimpse into a past where opulence was not just a lifestyle, but a statement. As we leave the Palace of Versailles, we carry with us the memories of its grandeur, the echoes of its history, and the reflections of its mirrors. We leave with a sense of awe, a sense of wonder, and a sense of understanding. The Palace of Versailles, a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the Ancien Regime, is a spectacle of French grandeur. Finally, we descend to the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera. The French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur as it's known locally, is a place of undeniable charm and allure. Stretching along the southeastern coast of France, this stunning region is a glittering jewel in the country's crown. Here you're greeted by azure waters that dance under the warm Mediterranean sun, and golden beaches that sparkle against a backdrop of lush, rolling hills. From the glamorous city of Cannes, where the world's most renowned film festival takes place, to the quaint old town of Nice, with its vibrant markets and colorful streets, the French Riviera is a montage of delightful experiences. Cannes, known for its star-studded film festival, is a place where glamour and sophistication meet. The city's palm-lined boulevard, La Croisette, is home to luxury boutiques, upscale hotels, and restaurants serving the finest French cuisine. Nice, on the other hand, is a city that exudes charm at every corner. Stroll through the narrow, winding streets of its old town, view Nice, and you'll find yourself surrounded by pastel-colored buildings, bustling markets, and charming cafes. Don't forget to try the local delicacy, �𝐿𝐷𝐾𝐒, a savory chickpea pancake that's as nice as it gets. As the sun sets, the French Riviera comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. From chic cocktail bars in Cannes to lively nightclubs in Nice, there's a place for every taste. And let's not forget the region's culinary delights. Whether it's a plate of fresh seafood paired with a glass of local rosé or a traditional Provençal dish, the flavors of the Riviera are sure to tantalize your taste buds. But the French Riviera is more than just a playground for the rich and famous. It's a place where you can relax on a sunny beach, explore charming seaside towns, and immerse yourself in the region's rich culture and history. It's a place that captivates the senses and warms the soul. The French Riviera, with its azure waters and golden sands, provides a perfect end to our French sojourn. France, a country of diverse landscapes and rich history, has something for every traveler. We've journeyed together from the majestic heights of the Eiffel Tower, marveling at the Parisian skyline, to the mystical whispers echoing through the Notre-Dame Cathedral. We've lost ourselves in the artistic labyrinth of the Louvre Museum, home to countless masterpieces, and reveled in the opulence of the Palace of Versailles, a testament to royal grandeur. Along the French Riviera, we've soaked in the charm of azure waters and golden beaches. But this is just the beginning. France is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered, from quaint country towns to snow-capped mountain peaks, from gastronomic delights to world-class vineyards. It's an adventure that beckons, a story that unfolds with every step. So, pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and set your spirit free. Experience the charm, the grandeur, the art, and the allure of France. Bon voyage! On